Hey guys, Vince here. I wanted to give you a few updates about Hungryroot. There's some very exciting things happening with the company. I've been using the product now since January of this year, 2018, so it's been almost a full year of using Hungryroot, getting it almost every week, only skipping a few times. But I really love the product and I've grown with the company. I've been with them for a year. I've been making videos for them and they use some of my videos in some of their Instagram ads. And a lot of my friends have tried Hungryroot because of me, and they've been gracious enough to give me my very own coupon code. So I thought it's important for me to keep you updated on what's happening with the company and what new products are becoming available, because there's a lot of exciting things happening. So first of all, Hungryroot is about to give you more options. They started off as being mostly vegan, gluten-free, and they had no grains, no dairy, of course, because it was all vegan. But Hungryroot is they take your feedback seriously, and a lot of people have been giving feedback about including more proteins, more grains, more variety overall. I think once you try the products for the first time, they're all fantastic, but after using Hungryroot consistently for a calendar year, you've pretty much tried everything and every combination of everything, so I think more variety is definitely a great idea. So I was really surprised by this. The first thing that they rolled out was more control, and if you take a look at the website, you can see that they are giving you more options for what kind of diet you're on, what kind of restrictions you have, and you can go ahead and choose your dishes based on your dietary needs. So that's really cool. And when I saw this, I was really surprised to see a section for vegetarian and proteins. Right now, they still have the same options they've always had, but according to the CEO of Hungryroot, Ben, in a recent email that I got, there's going to be a new introduction of salmon and chicken sausage to Hungryroot, which I found very interesting. I am not a vegan, as I've said before. I'm vegan curious, so the idea of having proteins, animal proteins, especially lean meats like salmon and this chicken sausage, I'm definitely interested in trying them. I hope that Hungryroot stays on their mission to keep everything clean, responsibly sourced, organic, because I think that's important to stick with their branding, and if they're going to introduce animal proteins to a vegan product, they better be high quality, at least. They also have stated that they are going to introduce grains, pastas, and new sauces. Grain-free pasta options that they have, such as the sweet potato noodles, the zucchini noodles, the beet noodles, those are fantastic, but we need more variety as well. And definitely grains are a great way to go. They're already introducing some new grains. They have the quinoa already. They have the fonio, I believe that's how you pronounce it, fonio grain, that's coming out soon as well. And they are also introducing these wraps, these coconut wraps, which are made from coconut and turmeric pretty much, and have no other added ingredients. So they're gluten-free, vegan, and consequently they are paleo. So Hungryroot is really rolling out some amazing options for more and more people to enjoy their product, to try their product. It's no longer just something for vegans or people that are gluten-free. It's going to have a full variety of food and new flavors. I'm really excited to see what new sauces they come out with. And they are giving you more options to choose and customize your box to make sure that it's something that you want and something that you come back and get every week. And the variety is just going to be fantastic. And one more thing that they're introducing is that they are giving more delivery dates. So they'll also have Saturday delivery dates beginning in January as well. So that's exciting. When I was in Florida, I had a better delivery experience than I had in New York. Everything was a lot fresher and colder, and I think that's because of the delivery service that they use in Florida, whereas in New York, it just came from FedEx because it was a local shipment from New Jersey. So anyways, that is some of the new updates that are coming from Hungryroot in the new year 2019. Can't believe it, 2019. And it's very exciting, and I'm very happy to be influencing people to try Hungryroot. And if you do want to try Hungryroot, you can use my coupon code VINCE at checkout So you just fill up your cart like normal, you go to checkout and enter Vince, and you'll get $25 off your first 2 orders. That's a total savings of $50 off, so why not give it a try? I mean, even if you don't like it, you can go ahead and cancel after the first 2 boxes or even the first box. But with these new options that are rolling out in the new year, I mean, honestly, anybody could try Hungryroot and enjoy it. I just love the convenience of it. I love how simple it is. The recipes are not hard to follow. There's not a lot of spices or measuring. The sauces are already seasoned, and if I want to add extra flavor, I do. And I have in my other recipes. I love my Hungryroot hack recipes, which I have on my channel. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing well and continue to spread the love of Hungryroot, because it's a new company and they are growing and they are evolving into something fantastic, and I'm really happy to be working with them. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about Hungryroot and other products that I like to choose and try and taste and review for you. Have a good day, everybody.